Hey Freedom Chasers, Seth here today, bringing you a brand new video series where I show you step by step how you can research a niche and then create a brand new online store around whatever you'd like to sell, and then go ahead and market it to your customers and start generating sales. So, as you can see here today, I have a picture of Ninja, and if you can guess, I'm actually going to be targeting the gaming niche, and I'm going to show you why. But before we carry on, guys, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and hit that post notification bell to make sure that you get the next couple videos in this video series and learn the step-by-step process that will get you from zero all the way up to a brand new store that you can start generating some real sales with. All right, guys, so I'm going to dive in here. I'm going to show you some great stuff that's going to help you research and verify whether or not you're on the right path when you're choosing your niche. So I'm going to start with Google Trends over here. And this is an awesome free tool. All you got to do is just go to googletrends.com and you can essentially uh, look over the long term how that specific category is trending over time. So as you guys can see, I chose gaming for several reasons. Not only do I love gaming, a lot of people do, and this is a growing industry that's getting more and more popular every day. As you guys can see over here, I filtered it out from 2004 to present, and you could see that over time, we're more or less on the upward trajectory. I can't even say that word. And you could see that this is probably something that we would be interested in targeting because we're going upwards. However, if we were going downwards, I would more or less begin to question whether or not I should be doing this. Some other things on this page. You can see Nevada is number one interested in gaming. No surprise there. Las Vegas. So you guys can see over here some interesting information. If you wanted to target deeper per state, okay. Surprise, Alaska is kind of on the list all the way at the top. So they must love gaming as well. Some related topics that are trending. These are breakout topics. So people are searching these type of categories and topics right now in Google. Some related things. So gaming on YouTube. Okay. Curse gaming. Haven't heard of that yet. Must be something popular. Gaming on Reddit. Xbox One. So these are some great also keywords to research and maybe include when you begin advertising your products. Astro Gaming, okay, maybe you want to build something around this. All right, so really easy tool, and it's actually fun. You guys can use it for any category, but I want to show you one other thing that is amazing. If you go to Facebook and create an ad account, you could actually research much deeper audiences. And right now, we just want to verify that there is an audience for this. And if we start out on this side right over here, all right, I'm not going to go into details exactly how to get to audience insights. You can pretty much Google real quick. It's right on your Facebook page as long as you have an ad account, which is free to make. And also, I'll be making a video at a later time simply on this subject right here. But for the meantime, guys, just remember Facebook audience insights. You can pretty much navigate and filter down your audience really deep down. And you can see over here, you can do it by country, age, gender, interest. All right, but before I get into this, you may see I already filtered it out between the ages of 20 and 40 years old. I just did a quick research on Google of the age groups that we should be focused on, because obviously, if you're going to be running ads and marketing at a later point, you don't want to be targeting anyone that's maybe 65. There may be some people that are in the 60 plus crew that play video games, and that's respectable, of course. But there probably isn't as many compared to the 18 through 30 range. But you also may notice that I didn't include 18 because we want to target people, of course, with that may have their financials kind of more intact. They have a job currently, because we want people to be purchasing products from you. So the safe range was 20 to 40. We're going to include all genders, and we're going to go ahead and choose interests. So the interest may be, we could break these down actually. Games, okay. So we want to do, the entire gaming category, so we'll just add that right there. All right. Maybe we want to also cross that with some behaviors like shopping. So let's see. People who enjoy online shopping are probably pretty good. If you wanted to also, let's see, technology, consumer electronics. All right, gaming consoles. Probably people with mobile phones also. That's a huge industry right now alone, mobile gaming. Okay, so we got some of that. You guys can also put in more customized searches, so you can add like maybe Blizzard, Activision Blizzard. They're huge in the gaming world. So this pretty much just allows you to filter down your audience, and you can get even more to the nitty gritty. Realistically, if you wanted to do like education, relationship status, languages, work titles, but I don't think we need that right now for our specific needs. So if we go back over here, all right, interesting information. So you may see actually that women actually outrank men on the interest for gaming with on the Facebook Insights tool. And you may see also that there's a specific age group that's even better to target. So if you want to get, capture, focus more on this like 25 to 34 age group, you could if you want. I still think it's fair enough that anyone from 20 to 40 kind of want to just get a big net there, capture the majority of people. If you go over here, you could see that their relationship status, their education level, their job titles. I think more importantly is what else they're interested in. So you could see that people who like all this stuff over here also have interest in this type of stuff. And guys, some of it may look, a little interesting and, you may be skeptical, but remember, Facebook has so much data. They know your customers better than anyone else. You have to trust Facebook when it comes to this and also running ads because they probably understand human behavior and people in general better than anyone else. They have all this information gathered from all these Facebook profiles. They track essentially everything that you do, and they aggregate it into some amazing information that you could use to benefit yourself when marketing products and researching. So as you can see, no surprise there, video games, GameStop, okay. Graveyard Shift, this may be, I actually checked it out. It's a really interesting page with like mysterious and interesting stuff. So this may be somewhere you would want to go and post and comment, maybe include your link as well. Okay. And we also have over here location, top cities, all right, and activities. All right. So you can see also where you should maybe focus some of your advertising. 69% are on mobile phones. No surprise there. Just because we all know that most of us are spending all our times on smartphones these days, not really going on computers or tablets. So just something to really keep in mind when you're marketing your products at a later point. All right. And if we go back over here, I just want to show you something on gaming. 82 million subscribers to gaming. Okay. Pretty much at this point, anyone can stream, and I highly recommend for you if you're into this and you're into gaming itself. You're probably the perfect example for someone who would benefit from opening up an online store, because even if you have a few subscribers, and you create a brand around, what you are and what you do with gaming, you can go ahead and start selling product immediately. So I just want to plug my boy Anthony, who's got his new page, Dads of Fortnite. It's hilarious. You guys should absolutely watch it. Him and our other buddy Freddie stream playing Fortnite with their kids, and it's awesome stuff. But essentially, this is a great name and also page where he can essentially scale and then begin building an online store. So guys, I'm not going to make this video long. This is the first part in the video series where we talk about building an online store from scratch, especially in the gaming niche. And as you guys can see, pretty much this is a very recognizable face. Everyone knows Ninja. Gaming is such a huge thing these days, and you guys know that it's on the rise. It's only getting better. So why not tap into this massive industry and start making money, guys? So again, if you like this video, if you thought it was informative, please smash that like button and subscribe to our page for the next couple of videos in our series. That way you can also achieve your ecom freedom lifestyle. Thanks so much, guys. Peace.